Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend to check for updates, so open Vivo Earphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now scroll down and you need to go to earphone firmware upgrade. Firmware is the same as software, so just tap at this line, it check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version, but if you haven't, you will see a button download and install. Then you tap at this button and install this update. Now, if it didn't help you, or you haven't new software version, also I recommend it in the application. Right here, you need to go to more earphone settings. And right here we have in-ear detection. It means that when you listen to music or watching a movie and remove your earbuds from your ears, you will pause the music. Then, when you wear them, you will resume the music. So maybe this is your problem, and you can just tap at this slider and disable this mode. Also, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Did I have this app? No. Okay, maybe something else. Never mind. All you need to do is to just remove your audio player from the application and then open it again. And also I recommend it to check if you have the last version for this application, so go to the App Store or Play Store and update it if you haven't. Now, if it also didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold at the touch areas, what located at the back side of each earbud, at the same time until the LED lights start blinking orange. But before that, I recommend it to close the case and open the case. Now press and hold. And if after 5 seconds the LED light on the front side not blinking white, it means that you're doing something wrong and you need to repeat this process. Now we wait for the orange LED light. Here we go. Now we can release fingers. And we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, but not all Android phones have this line, so maybe you need to only just go back from the Bluetooth and enter to the Bluetooth. But I need to press at this button, or you can press at the pop-up. So when you click pair new device, you will see them at the device list if you haven't pop up. And you just tap on them and click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!